my beautiful people, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thank you guys for your support, your love. Guys, thank you for all who have subscribed. And if you are new here seeing this face for the first time, please consider subscribing. So my people, in this video I'm going to show you how I clean my fridge, my own version. And I'm going to show you what I'm going to use to clean it and to do some arrangement. I already did the shopping, so let's do this, guys. In cleaning the fridge, want to So guys, we are done cleaning. Everything is clean, as you can see, and this is my freezer, and I'm going to put in all my frozen items here and anything that requires cool temperature for preservation. So we are going to start with the ice cream. This is the ice cream that I took. Yeah, I'm going to place it here. Another ice cream. Some sausages, chicken, so I'll put the chicken down, smokies, I'm going to place it here, meat, I'll also put it here down. We have some bacon. I'm going to place it here. I told you the fridge is somehow small. And we have the beef burger. I'm going to place it here. That's it. And lastly, mozzarella cheese. Let me put it here. So this is what I got for the freezer, guys. Yeah. Lastly, nilisahau kuonyesha water for ice cubes. Let me place it here where it's supposed to be. Yeah, that is it. So with me here, guys, I have spinach, and we are going to place it far end. Yeah, followed by the cabbage. I always slice my cabbage before placing them in the fridge. Then I have some maize. I love githeri, so I'm going to store it until I cook some githeri. And then this juice, I place it here. Milk, maziwa mala. I'm going to put it there. So we're done with this shelf. Moving on to the next. Mimi napenda canned soda sana sana. Yeah, then followed by yogurts. So hapa naweka juice. This is a diluted cocoa pine juice. So natumianga hii. Hapa nimeweka carrots and sukuma wiki, kales. Yeah. So guys, that is it for today. That's how I arrange my fridge. Thank you guys for all who have subscribed, and don't forget to subscribe if you are new here, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye.